Our last task is to create a table that shows the population by state. So what we're going to do is go back to our pivot tables. We're going to insert a pivot table. We're going to use the table range, but this time we want to insert it into an existing worksheet because we want to put it in the answer form. So we click on existing worksheet, cursor in the location bar, and then we click the up arrow here, and we go to our pivot table answer form, click in cell A1, and then we say OK. So now we have our pivot table on our population table answer form. So what we want is a table that shows the population by state. So as we did before, we pick state. Okay, there's our list of our states. And then we want to count the population per state. We take population, click on it, it goes to values, and now we have a list of states with their population. We want 1,000 separators, so if you remember how to do that, we click here, go to the home ribbon, click on our comma. We don't need the decimals, we don't have decimal people. Go like that. Now the only other thing is we want this sorted by the largest to the smallest population. So we click in the population column, right click, and say sort, and we're going to sort largest to smallest. So there is our table. It shows the population of each state, and it gives us a grand total of the population of the country, and we see Wyoming has the least amount of people and California has the greatest amount of people. Now the way this works is that Excel is basically looking at every row that says California in it and is adding that into this cell for the sum of the state's population. And so now you should have your answer form filled out with all the answers, and you should have your population answer form as well. And with that, you've completed your Excel assignment.